Yes. Oh yeah, bro. Oh, this is a good track. Good morning, legends. What's up, legends, and welcome back to the channel. In this one, we're going back to Red Hill. I know we rode Red Hill in the last video. We crashed the drone, we met the possum, wished this wind would fuck off, and we rode Sawtooth, but there wasn't enough mountain biking. In this one, we're gonna hit more of the sanctioned trails in Red Hill. I'm meeting a few mates out there. They're all locals, so they know all the sick trails. This is my only source of income now, so hitting that subscribe button will really help me show you guys the sickest trails out there. Thank you heaps, legends. We left our cars at the bottom of the hill in Dromana. We all jumped in Richard's car with our bikes and drove to the top of the hill so we could start at the water tanks on Arthur Seat Road.
Wet you fucking I don't know how you ride without gloves.
I feel weird now for wearing gloves. I was getting bullied the other day online for not wearing gloves.
It is odd, yeah, you should get bullied.
No way, dude. Oh! No, the risk isn't worth the reward on that one.
You do a half a longer little fire road that's never used, and you can just shoot back up that to the top of Rock Salt.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's more fun than going straight down a fire road.
I'll follow you boys.
This one's fun. Have you done this?
Yeah.
Rock Salt, I have, yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh.
Pedal strike.
Hey. Yes. Oh yeah, bro. Oh, this is a good track. Oi. It's so sandy, eh? Oh, yes. Yeah, nice. That is so good.
Fun track, isn't it?
Yeah, dude. I love those drops, eh? From the bottom of Rock Salt, it's a short climb up the fire road before we hit Slippery Gypsy. And Richard's come up with a bit of a challenge on this one.
Challenge is, do it without touching your brakes. It's fun. You like pedal hard into it and there's one bit that fucking scares the shit out of you, get round it.
Slippery Gypsy. No brakes. Oh, I braked. Did you brake? You did so. Alright, pins and needles.
The needles.
Pins and needles.
Really can't remember this trail.
Do you want me to go at a medium pace so you can follow my lines?
Yeah, that'd be sick. Remember that really rooty section, I always get stuck in it.
And then the gap jump at the end if you...
I still haven't done it. So as long as you hold your speed, it's all good. Oh. Marzi, it's not a very medium pace. Oh my God, tight. Yes. Oh, this is cool. Oh. It's a cool trail. Oh, very technical. Oh my God. Oh yes, dude. Oh, oh shit. Oh. Oh God. There's just a lot going on, eh? I might watch the boys go over this. Oh, this bit is really technical. Oh, nice. That's how you do it.
You go over the rocks and then I kind of come down.
Do you have to pedal through it?
No, you don't want to pedal, otherwise you're pretty much screwed. So I let off the brakes about that hump back there.
It's all pumping into that
And
hole,
then just
isn't it?
pump into that transition right there where
Oh,
it
yeah.
is. And then just maintain your speed.
Do you jump that bit?
I don't know.
I sort of do. I jump into it.
Yeah.
I always like try pop and then I'm like, doom, and just stop.
Yeah.
Marzi's gonna show us how to do it. You just made that look really easy.
Yeah, it looks so easy. Still not doing it, but you made it look easy.
I'll try it.
I was gonna say you're having a crack, aren't you?
I better. Whoo! Oh, I'm so nervous. Just rolling over roots. Oh! Woo! Definitely wasn't the quickest one, but
Got the step down at the end. It's not really a jump, it's more of a step down.
alright, cool. Oh, Marzi with the high line. Yeah. How good's that catch burn on your handlebar? Jeez, such a fun trail. It's so hard though. Yes. Yeah, dude. I reckon that could be the thumbnail. Oh no. You guys go. I feel like this is one of the hardest climbs I've ever done.
Nah.
Wait, is this Pine Climb?
Yeah, it's a very start. Oh, that's it.
Pine Climb is a 1.4 kilometre technical climbing trail that gains 134 metres in elevation. Today's just not my day though, and a push up the fire road it is. I'd like to go down full on.
Yeah. Alright.
I haven't done it for
You
ages.
done the jump?
Yeah, I think so.
Through the tree.
Oh, in the middle.
Oh, you mean the
No, Marzi, medium speed. Full on. Yes. Oh, she's rough. Woo! Oh. That snuck up on me that time. Oh yeah! Woo! Yes! Oh, oh. Oh. Oh, the legs are burning. Whoa. Oh. Oh, so good. That's so fun. Oh, nice one. Sick. That was sick, eh? With most of us lacking in the fitness department, we decide to do another shuttle to access the Crits and Deadwoods trailhead. Just on the way to Crits. Yeah, that was sick.
Oh no.
Yeah.
ready for a bit of Crits action?
Yeah, dude.
Medium pace.
Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, she's rough. No. Yes. Oh, yeah, nice. That's a bike destroyer, isn't it?
You took a shit line.
I did. I just went up.
Aaron, have you done through the train with timber?
Yeah, it's scary, bro. What's this trail called? Glenn's Pony. Boy! Oh, this thing's scary! Fuck! Yeah, I just slid out, eh? Oh, hold on. Whoa, that's so tight. Oh shit, track's like pretty awkward, eh? Or I'm awkward. Oh yes. You. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, the bottom of that's sick. Oh, oh, that's a bit loose.
Good, isn't it?
It is sick. Yeah, that was sick. Red Hill is one fun riding destination. Everything's really technical. There's not much flow there, but I mean, you could probably fall and flow. Someone could. I can't really. Massive shout out to Marzi for like leading the way on a lot of those trails. He has his own YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link to his channel at the end of this video. A lot of his videos are based around the Mornington Peninsula and the Red Hill mountain bike trails. If you're interested in those trails, check his channel out, and he shreds. Thanks again for watching, legends. Really appreciate it. Cheers. A bit of behind the scenes footage here. My sister was driving my car down this dirt road so I could film the intro scene with my drone, with my car going down this dirt road. And she's just rang me, said the car is smoking, so I'm going to have a look now. Didn't really know how to drive a manual, so she's probably cooked it. I was just telling someone today how good the caddy was. She's freaking out too. What have you done? What'd you do? You cooked it.
I think it smells funny.
Oh my god. Don't tell me the handbrake was on.
It was not on.
What do you mean? Do you reckon you fucked it?
100%. I told you I couldn't drive a manual. It's because we're on a hill. I'm sweating.
I think it's
It was
fine.
so bad. Never fucking again. Never again.
It feels fine. I don't know. Are you sure it was smoky?
Yeah.
I bet you had the handbrake on.
I didn't. I checked.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I didn't do that.
That was the best one I've ever done.